Welcome. If you want to create Instagram account, for the first you have to open the application. Right now click right here, then sign up with the email or the phone number. In my case I'm going for the email, and right now I'm gonna input my email. And right now we have to confirm with next button. And as you can see, we have to enter the confirmation code and we can find it on our email. So let's switch right here. And there's our code 564. It was 907. Tap on the next. And as you can see, right now we have to set full name. So our name will be HardReset, and the password. What it will be the password? Okay, I got one. So if you input your new full name and the password, you have to click on the continue, and you can to add and sync all the contacts, but I am going to without, so let's click on it. Right now we have to set our birthday date, so we can tap maybe this one, tap on the next, and as you can see we are on the Instagram. We create an account, we can change the username right now, and let's click on the next to finish the whole process. Click skip once again, and right now we can set up other things, but I'm gonna skip it. And here it is, our new Instagram account. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.